welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. As you can see, I'm in my bedroom and we're gonna be doing another clothing haul try on, but it's gonna be more focused for winter and holiday looks. My kind of style is more casual, layered pieces, and I'm gonna show you how I will style some of my new pieces, and I also will show you how I style a new box, a styling box, a subscription box that I have had sent to me. So before we get going, hit that subscribe button, share this with somebody that you think might like it, and let's do it. You guys really love these videos, and thank you so much for your support on this. You know, body image is something that I am working on and getting better every single day. I partnered with Dailylook, which is a subscription box for today's video. I'm super excited about it. I've had 2 boxes from them, and I really have loved the pieces. Basically you get assigned to a stylist, and you get to pick out kind of what you like, your ideas, from pictures and past things that they have had. So it gets really streamlined, and the stylist gets to know you over time. You can have your box every month, bi-monthly, every 3 months. It's pretty cool. So you don't feel like you have to get a box every single month. You can kind of customize it to however you like it. The styling fee is $40, but then that applies to whatever you purchase in the box. And usually everything is pretty name brand. Actually, the jeans that I'm loving from this box are J brand. And I'm really enjoying how the fit of it is, and the stylist will definitely learn you the more you kind of purchase through them. So I really want to thank them so much for partnering with me on this video, and I do have a discount code, not affiliated, in the description box for your first box. I'm going to stop talking and show you some looks. And all of the looks are not from Daily Box. Most of them are, but I also have some other goodies thrown in there. So let's do it. So here is my Dailylook box. And how cute is that? And this is how it comes. Beautiful, beautiful. And then you just kind of send all of this back. There's packing slips and everything in here. It's free returns. I think the box is so beautiful. I love this. This is one that I have been wearing kind of religiously. It's been a little bit of my staple, I should say. These jeans are so comfy. They're very, very stretchy. I don't wear jeans unless they are stretchy, you guys. I don't play that game. I'm not into it. This is like a little cardigan that has a hood in the back, so it's perfect for fall. This I've worn with just jeans and like a nice camel jacket over it. I love this. It's super, super soft. This is very much me. I've just popped some cute boots on because my feet can't be bare because it's freezing nowadays, and just popped on some earrings and pulled my hair back. For the most part in the winter, my hair is definitely more back because of the static electricity. But yeah, so this is basically how I would style this. I feel very comfortable. I feel it's very like kind of flattering, at least to me. It kind of hides my areas of insecurity, but it just also feels very comfortable on. It feels very, to me, kind of expensive, but yet it's not, and it just feels very high quality. And you can wear this and get this shirt so many uses out of it. But these little cardigan guys are what I live in. These are like my go-to. It's beautiful hunter green, and I like mixing denim in with my black and such. Here it is with the same jeans, the same shoes, but look at this beautiful turtleneck. This is definitely one for the, you know, the winter time. It's actually really lightweight. It's very, very soft. I like how it's cut on the sides because it kind of flatters the figure a little bit more. It kind of pulls it down. But this is so, so comfy. I definitely will be living in this one all year round. Love this one. This is fantastic. And this is one of those that I will absolutely wear kind of year round. And it's just very soft, which I like. So the ones from Target that we talked about last time, they're not as soft and it's a little bit oversized. This one is definitely more true to size. I have a problem, if you haven't noticed, wearing clothes that actually fit me. I feel like they don't look good on me. I like kind of oversized clothes. But this seems to be flattering. You can also tuck this in as well and make it a little bit more, you know, like preppier, because that can be kind of cute. Or you can, of course, wear it out. And I have a few jackets that you know, I'm going to show you that I would actually pair with this. See why I like wear big collars. For me, this I've had for I don't know how many years, probably close to 10 years, this guy. It is one of those investment pieces, but for me, I love the collar with the little denim underneath it, the skinny jeans and the boots. I like coats sometimes too that are cut off like this so you can still see the arms. I'm pretty sure I probably can't find this little vest guy again, but I'll let you know. But the green one you saw in the other clip, the other one from Dailylook, would be great with this over it as well. But this is very much, this is very much an Elle piece for sure. All right, so I just wanted to share with you that green kind of duster with this. I think this looks awesome. I love this. I'm definitely going to be keeping this green piece, and now I'm kind of loving this as well. It's so versatile. I love keeping pieces that you can wear more often with different things. So I love this together, actually. Maybe even just some little jewelry right here. I like my little statement earrings that I have on. You've heard me talk about these guys a lot. And I just feel like they kind of complete everything. And again, for me, this is just me, but it hides the rear end, it hides the stomach, and dusters are something that I absolutely love. All right, so this is a little shirt dress from Eva Trends, and I just paired it with these cute shoes I've had forever. They're from All Saints. I've had them literally forever. That's why I invest in some good shoes every once in a while, because I can just have them redone. But I love this sweater dress. I feel very covered in the areas that I want to be covered in. These leggings actually are from Target, and they're just kind of like, has like a little shimmer to them or shine to them. Very delicate jewelry, and probably my hair pulled back and all that good stuff. So I really love this sweater. It's very, very comfy. It's roomy. A lot of different sizes could wear this. All my people across the pond can get this brand as well because they sell over there. That's actually where they're from. So I really, really have been enjoying this. I love the print on it. I'm not usually a print person, but this one I kind of dig. So I love it. All right, y'all. So here is another outfit, and I love everything that I'm wearing right now. This, like, I don't know what you call it, a throw over. It literally looks like it's meant to be worn out, but it's actually meant to be like pajamas. It's from this brand called Cuddle Duds on QVC, and I cannot stop wearing it. Look how good it looks like with regular leggings. I absolutely love it. It has pockets. It is the softest material I have ever experienced in my whole entire life. I am obsessed with it. My mother, I just got one for her. It's in this oatmeal color. And then I got these leggings, which I don't know if you guys can see, but they are Spanx velvet leggings, you guys. I have been living in these leggings, and they were such a good deal on QVC. I'll find everything and link everything below, but this is like my staple. Cannot be more comfortable. I love it. All right, love, so that is it. This is the end of the remaining fall fashion haul. I hope you all enjoyed this. It's so much fun for me to do these with you. I found some really great deals and some stuff that I never thought I would buy. And I'm super happy I did, because Lord knows I hate going to the store to try on anything. It's like my biggest pet peeve. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Mwah. Bye, loves.